So here it's given like there is three linear equation and we need to find the geometric figure of these lines. So first we need to figure out whether they intersect or not. If they intersect, then we can assume this as triangle, because these three lines, if they intersect, then that will be triangle. So first let's assume these two values. So if they intersects, then we can write 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 2. So here if we solve, so 6x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So we found x as 0. So if we plug this value in any of this equation, we'll get y is equal to like 3 into 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. So the coordinate of these two lines are 0 and 2. We found one values. Now if we look at this y equal to minus 2 lines, and if we assume like these two value also intersects, then what we find? Then we can write 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2, or 3x is equal to minus 2 minus 2, x equal to minus 4 by 3. So the intersect of this line and this line will be minus 4 by 3 into minus 4 by 3 minus 2. And if we assume this value and this value, then we'll get minus 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2. So we can write minus 3x is equal to minus 4, so x equal to 4 by 3. So the coordinate will be 4 by 3 minus 2. So as you can see, we got three intersect point. That means they actually intersect each other and they will produce a triangle, we can see. So if we name this as A, B and C, and assume this as y equal to 3x plus 2, this is minus 3x plus 2, and this will be minus 2. So now, and we also got this intersect point, so it is 0, 2, and this is 3x plus 2 minus 2, this is this one, so minus 4 by 3 minus 2, and this one is 4 by 3 minus 2. So now what we need to do is to find the length of these three arms. So now if we want to find the AB or AB squared, so it will be the distance of the difference between y-axis and x-axis. So now if we assume AB, so the change of x-axis is like minus 4 by 3 minus 0 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So it's like so it will be 16 by 9 plus 16. So we can write it as 16 plus 9 into 16. Okay, now we want to find the value of BC. So BC square is equal to minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 square plus minus 2 and minus 2 whole square. So it will be minus 4 whole square, and plus it will be 0 square. So it will be something like 64 divided by 9. And now the last one is AC square. So we can write 4 by 3 0 square minus 2 whole square. So it will be again 16 by 9 plus 4 square is equal to 9. 16 plus 16 into 9. So as you can see, this AB square and AC square is exactly same. So we can write AB is equal to AC, but it's not equal to BC. So that means this triangle is isosceles triangle where the two arm is same.